Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the language on your Google Chrome web browser. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Chrome web browser here. And now you want to navigate over to the top right corner of your browser window where you have a little menu icon. Left click on that, and then you want to go down and left click on settings from near the bottom of this menu. Now on this page you want to scroll down until you get to the advanced button near the bottom. Left click on that, scroll down again, and then underneath languages where it says whatever your language is, left click on it. And now at this point, if you want to change any of your languages, you just left click where the first option is right here. So you see there's two different languages. The one is going to say what language it's displayed in, and other languages will be listed here as well. So if you want to change your language, just left click on this Add Languages button right here. Select the language from this list, so it can be any language you want, doesn't really matter. So once you've selected your language, just left click on Add. It'll begin giving you the option to switch over to language. So if you want to change it at this point, let's say we wanted to go over to Italian, left click on the More Actions button over here, and then check mark inside the box where it says Display Google Chrome in this language. So then all you have to do is just left click on relaunch in order to relaunch the browser in the other language. However, I don't want to change the web browser to Italian, but you guys get the point. So at this point you just would relaunch the web browser and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.